National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:38 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles northwest of New Baltimore to near the Ambassador Bridge, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near New Baltimore around 12:45 p.m. St. Clair around 1:05 p.m.